Join me as I reveal my top investment secrets and challenge myself to turn a small amount of cash into a fortune. Investing in today's economy can be a daunting task, but having the right secrets can make all the difference between financial freedom and struggle. Many people believe investing is only for the wealthy or that it's too complicated to get started. This misconception holds them back from achieving their financial goals. Some think investing requires a lot of money up front, which isn't always the case. Others believe it's all about luck, but in reality, it's about making informed decisions. Investing is often seen as a gamble, but with the right strategy, it can be a reliable way to grow your wealth. People also tend to think that investing is a one-size-fits-all approach, but the truth is, everyone's financial situation is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Diversification is key to a successful investment portfolio. Spreading your investments across different asset classes can help minimize risk. Another strategy is to focus on long-term growth, rather than trying to make quick profits. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can provide a steady stream of income and can be a great way to generate passive income. Real estate investing is another proven strategy, whether it's through direct property investment or real estate investment trusts. My most powerful investment secret is to be consistent and patient. It's not about making a lot of money quickly, but about steadily growing your wealth over time. This secret has significantly impacted my financial journey, and I've seen the difference it can make. By being consistent and patient, you can avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. You can also take advantage of compound interest, which can help your investments grow exponentially. This secret has allowed me to build a significant amount of wealth, and I'm confident it can do the same for you. The main strategies I've discussed today are diversification, long-term growth, and being consistent and patient. Taking action on these investment secrets can be the key to unlocking your financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to tune in to my next video for more financial tips and secrets to growing your wealth.